design and someone wants us to do something like this. Alright, so let us begin. Now the size of the design is this. Alright, so let's go and start afresh to do something very close to it. The background that we're going to be using is this background right here. Just going to stretch it out. Alright, and I'm going to lock it. Alright, so that is that. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to save it. Alright, I have saved it, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go over here now and just do this. Alright, so this is the pastor's name, Pastor Dr. Daniel. Alright, that's the pastor's name. So I'm gonna go over here now. I'm gonna write it here. So if you want to use a long font or you want to use a short font, this is where you are going to do it. So we're going to use a long font for this, okay? So let's use this guy. So something like this, right? So let us try this. Do this. Alright, so you will first create your design the way you want it to appear on the flyer. Alright, so this is where I want it to appear on the flyer. Then there's another one that I'm going to put here, which is going to be the August 8th. Okay, so this one I want the background to be from here. Okay. Alright, so after I've done it like this, then I can go ahead and just remove this background and then come over here, save this as PNG. Alright, then I'll come back here and I'll bring the background. Then I have to delete them. Then I have to bring in the background again, which is this one I just say right here. Now I will start by selecting just one of it. Alright, like this. Then you can come over here now and you use perspective to arrange it to your taste. You see that now? Right, you arrange it to your taste. Okay. Alright, at this point we can bring in some of the pictures that we'll be using. Alright, so I want one to be here. I want another one to be here. I want another one to be here. Alright. Then I want so let this come here. Okay, let this come here like this. Alright, let this come here. Then this can come here like this. Alright, so let's bring the right up to the front, which is this one here. Alright, so let's work on this. This can come here. This can come to the front. This will come to the front. This will come to the front. Alright. So having done this, then we can come over here now and use this guy to make a blend around some part of the design. So I'll first pick here. Alright, I'll first pick here. I'll just go ahead and copy and paste and copy and paste. Copy again and paste. Alright, then I'm going to bring this one to the front now. Okay, so I'll pick one of this, copy, I'll go over here, change the color to this color here, so that I can bring these ones now to the bottom here. So copy and paste it. Right, so this can come to the front. Okay, alright, so I can copy this guy now, then I'll select this August here. Alright, so but I have to adjust it because it's not looking so nice, so I'll adjust it. And to do that, you just have to go to perspective again. Sorry, not there. Alright, then you start adjusting it. Alright. Okay. Alright, so this is another style. So this is it, right? We can go ahead now and maybe write a quotation or something, because this is the name and this is the speaker. Sorry, the person's image. So we can just get some quotes. Alright, so I'm just gonna put some quotes there, maybe this. Alright. So we just change it to this. Alright. Today's not his birthday. His birthday is August 8th, as you can see there. Alright. Cool. Okay, so if the logo you wanted to add, you could add it at the bottom there. Alright, so that is when you're done, you can go ahead and save your design and you're good to go. My name is Ni Hamuda and I will see you in the next tutorial. So this is how you use perspective to get your text to be so slant like this and you're good to go.